the world we live in. Children, first tell me what's the shape of our earth? Yes, it's sphere. Or in simpler way, we can just compare the shape of the earth with an orange fruit. In olden days, people believed that earth was flat like a plate. So that's the reason they were afraid to travel too far. They thought that if they reached the edge of earth, they may fall off it. I think many of you also thought that our earth is flat because we can walk on flat surfaces only. Isn't it? Even Pythagoras, a Greek thinker, thought the same and worked on it and finally concluded in 6th century BC that we can see only small portion of earth. Hence it appears flat to us. But if we see the earth from space, we can clearly see the shape of the earth, that is geoid. That means spherical or ellipsoid. Globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. The word globe came from the Latin word globus, which means a round mass or sphere. A globe helps us to locate places on earth. Poles and axes. Once have a look at the picture globe. Here we can observe the topmost point on Earth's surface, that is North Pole, and the bottom point is called South Pole. The imaginary, that means an imagination, not real, line that passes through the center of the earth connecting the north and the south poles is called Earth's axis. So here comes the earth rotates on its own axis. Have you ever noticed that globe is tilted to one side? Yes, earth also is tilted to one side. You know that? Because its axis is tilted. Today's topic is latitudes and longitudes. What are latitudes and longitudes? They are used to locate places on earth. They are imaginary lines which have been drawn on its surface by geographers. They are called latitudes and longitudes. So what are latitudes and longitudes? They are imaginary lines that have been drawn on the surface of the earth. Okay. So coming to latitudes, imaginary horizontal lines drawn parallel, that means one above the other. Okay, it means one above the other to the equator are called latitudes. What is equator? The equator is an imaginary horizontal line that runs around the middle of the earth and divides earth into two equal halves called hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. What is hemisphere? That means that sphere is divided into half. That is why it is called as hemisphere. Okay. Latitudes tell us how far north or south a place is from equator. Equator will be in the middle, right? Equator will be is the middle of the earth. So these horizontal lines are there, no? So they tell us how far north or south a place is from equator. Okay, the equator is the longest latitude. It is also known as 0-degree latitude. Starting from equator, all the other horizontal lines are drawn. So now coming to the numbering of latitudes. Children, this is very important, remember. Okay, so first we start from the equator and mark it as previously we discussed what it is. 0 degree latitude. Okay. The other latitudes are marked from 0 to 90 degrees on both sides of the equator, above the equator and below the equator, towards the north and south. Okay. So now latitudes are separated by a distance of 1 degree from each other. Okay, children. The North Pole is written as 90 degrees north and the South Pole is written as 90 degree south. Other than the equator, there are 180 latitudes drawn on the surface of Earth. Okay. Throughout the Earth, how many latitudes are drawn? 180. 180. Got it? 90 above and 90 below. Got it? Okay then. Some important latitudes. See here in the picture, the North Pole is 90 degrees north. The Arctic circle is 66.5 degree north. Where this Arctic circle is exactly lying on the earth, it is at 66.5 degree north. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Where this Tropic of Cancer line is there? At 23.5 degree north. And what is the equator? 0 degree, we know that. Then now the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degree south. The Antarctic circle is 66.5 degree south. The South Pole is 90 degree south. Children, you understood or not? First, immediately after drawing a circle, you have to mark on the topmost part as 90 degree north and downmost part as 90 degree south. So immediately the first line comes as Arctic circle, that is 66.5 degree north. The same thing at the down part also, that is 66.5 degree south, will be having Antarctic circle. Up one is Arctic and down one is Antarctic. Okay, and the same again. The second line is 23.5 north, that is Tropic of Cancer, and it is 23.5 north, and the same 23.5 south is Tropic of Capricorn. And the middle one is, we already know that it is 0 degrees, that is equator. Okay children, this is very important children.